Welcome to this tutorial on how to see your return on investment or ROI in Fidelity. Understanding your ROI is crucial for evaluating the performance of your investments. Today, we will guide you through the steps to access this information easily. First, log into your Fidelity account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab at the top of the homepage. From there, select Positions to view your current investments. This page will provide a breakdown of each asset in your portfolio and show you the current performance. Next, look for the Gain/Loss column next to each investment. This section will display your total ROI for each asset. To see a more detailed analysis, you can click on any individual investment. This will take you to a page that shows the performance over time, including the percentage return and historical data. Finally, to gain a better understanding of your overall portfolio performance, go back to the Accounts and Trade tab and select Performance. Here, you can view your total account ROI and compare it against various benchmarks. This will help you assess whether your investments are meeting your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.